Today, I will show you how to use Bitwarden, the best free password manager, to secure your entire digital life in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you will never have to worry about remembering a password again. First, open your browser and go to bitwarden.com. You will see a button that says Get Started. Go ahead and click on it. Enter your email address and your name. Now we come to the most critical part, creating a master password. This is the only password you will ever need to remember, so make it strong. Warning: if you forget this master password, Bitwarden cannot recover it for you. There is no Forgot Password button here. So please write it down on a piece of paper and lock it away somewhere safe for now. But what if you need a new account? You shouldn't use weak passwords like 123456. Inside Bitwarden, use the Password Generator tool. When creating a new login, you can choose how long and how complex you want the password to be. You can add numbers, symbols, and make it incredibly hard to hack. The generator will create a strong password that meets your specifications instantly. Let's add your first login manually. Click on the New Item button. Enter the name of the website. For example, let's type Facebook. Then type in your current username and password. Once you are done, click Save. Now your password is encrypted and safe. Bitwarden is free, open source, and completely secure. Start using it today and protect yourself online. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips.